Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. You must remember that we were studying plural. And there were two types of plural. One was Jama Mukassar, that is broken plural. And then in detail we studied the regular plural, that is the plural which exists or which is formed by the rule. In Rafa form, there is a different rule for masculine and feminine both, and in Nasab and Jar form too, there is a separate rule for masculine and feminine again. I asked you to do an exercise, and I believe you have done it. Now we take up the broken plural, a few examples of broken plural. Usually in Arabic, Fa, Ain and Lam are treated to be the basic letters and the others are additional letters. The shape of a noun or a verb is indicated in Arabic with reference to this. For example, Fa'il. You know, a Hamza has been added between the Fa and the Ain, that is first letter and the second letter, and this has been given a Fatha, this has been given a Kasra. So this is a shape. Meaning all the doers. Fa'il is doer. Fail is act. Fail is act. And fa'il is doer. You need the doer of the act. Now the act will be indicated with three letters instead of this Fa, Ain and Lam. For example, Nasr means to help, and Nasir will be the helper. Qatl means to kill, and Qatil will be the killer. Qatil will be the killer. So we will take the standard shape with reference to Fa, Ain and Lam, and we will recognize the broken plurals in different shapes. The most common shape in which the broken plurals exist is Af'al. Af'al. You have to keep in mind that this Hamza has Fatha. There is another shape in Arabic which has a Kasra at this Hamza, below this Hamza, that is If'al, that is an infinitive, the act of a noun. For example, Ihsan, to do a favor to someone. Ikram, to pay respect to someone. Inzal, to descend something down. To bring something down is inzal. So af'al is the shape, and very common broken plurals which should be very well known to you will fall in this category. For example, af'al itself means acts. Fail means an act, and af'al means acts, jobs. Seen, Ra and Ra. Seen, Ra and Ra. Sir, written like this. Sir means a secret. And Asrar means secrets. Secrets. Bab is the door and its plural is abwab. Abwab means doors. Babun is a door and abwabun doors. Zikr means to remember. Or supplication. Zikr of Allah is to him Allah's praise, and azkar will be its plural. Azkar. Bir, barara is charity, and bar is someone charitable. Charitable, and abrar will be its plural. Charitable, nice people are abrar. Shakhs is a person and its plural is ashkhas. Ashkhas, persons. Waqt is time, a time, and awqat are timings. Awqat are timings. Sabab is the reason. Seen, ba and ba. Sababun is a reason. And asbab is its plural. Asbabun, reasons. You have to keep in mind that this Hamza has to have fatha at stop. Tifl and walad both means a boy. Or both means a child too. Tifl, boy or child, and plural would be atfal. And awlad. Tifl, atfal. and walad waw lam dal aw lad means boys or children. Nasr means to help. To help. Nasir is a helper, and Ansar is its plural. Ansar is its plural. Wazn means a weight or to weigh, and awzan are weights. Awzan are the weights. Marad Marad means a disease. A disease. And mareed means a patient. And plural is amrad. Now, mim ra dot and hamza and alif would be added. Amrad means patients. Amal means deed. Amalun, a deed or act, and its plural is a'mal. A'malun, deeds, acts. Sawtun is voice. And its plural is aswatun, voices or sounds. Sawtun is a voice or sound, and aswatun are sounds or voices. Fi'alun, slave is abdun. Abdun means a slave. Abdullah, Allah's slave. And its plural is ibadun. Simple. Ibadun. Rajulun, a man. And rijalun, men. Ghaliz, ghaliz means strong, concentrated, harsh, All these are the meanings. And its plural is ghilazun. In Surah Tahrim you find alayha malaikatun ghilazun. And shadid means severe. Shadidun means severe, and its plural is shidadun. In the same ayah, alayha malaikatun ghilazun shidadun. On hell there are appointed harsh and severe angels, la yasun Allah ma amarahum, who don't disobey what Allah Almighty commands them, wa yaf'aluna ma yumarun, rather do what they are commanded. Thawbun is clothing, and thiyabun, clothings. Thiyabun, clothings. No, these vowel letters, waw, hamza, ya, they are interconvertible. So waw has been replaced with alif because they are vowel sounds. Then you have another shape, and that is fu'ulun. Examples: qalbun means heart, and the plural is qulubun. Qulubun. Najm is a star. Najmun is a star. And plural is nujumun. We have to keep in mind that this should not be pronounced as najumun, because that will have a different shape. So nujumun means stars or planets. Baytullah, Allah's house. Baytun is a house, and houses would be buyutun. Houses, buyutun. Fi buyutin, in Surah Nur, section 5, fi buyutin adina Allahu an turfa wa yudhkara fi hasmuhu, that is buyutun, houses. Haddun is a limit. So the root letters are ha, dal and dal. So its plural is hududun. Hududun. Limits. Boundaries. Danbun, a sin, an evil. And plural is dhunubun. Dhunubun is sins. Similar is the case wujuhun, reasons. Wujuhun, wajhun means a reason, and wujuhun is reasons. Amrun, it sometimes means commands, but when it means an act, its plural will be umurun. Umurun, acts. Nafsun, nafs is self. Nafsun, a self. And nufusun, selves. The shape is only in the harakat. Fu'ulun, classical example, kutubun. Fiha kutubun qayyima. Rusulun, plural of rasul, a messenger, is rusulun, messengers. Sarir is a bed, and plural is sururun. Sururum masfufa, about the paradise. There will be arranged beds in line. Sahifa is a scripture, and suhufun is its plural. Suhufun is its plural. Humurun, hamir is a donkey, and humurun is the plural. Jududun is another example in the Quran. Jududun. Stop it here today, and next time, inshallah, we'll take some other examples of broken plural.